What's up guys, Mr. DS18. Thank you for tuning in to another unboxing video. Check this out, the PRO-X8.4 RGB cap. Very similar to the old RGB with the bullet, but this is the dust cap. You guys heard right. I showed you the 6.5, now I have the 8 inches. 4 ohms, 8 inches, power, pro audio, LED lights. What more can you ask for? Gonna open it up, shoot some specs, connect the lights, connect the speaker, play some music. You guys check it out. PRO-X8.4 RGB cap. Got manual, cutout board, sticker. Got the speaker, stick it out of the bag. And this one also connects with this cool wire. Check out, that's the RGB wire. So what you're gonna wanna do is turn over the speaker. See the connector? You simply slide it in, locked, you're set to go. All right, check this out. Cloth, paper cone, we got the foam surround up here, dust cap, nice RGB dust cap. When it's not powered on, you can see it white. Now, some specs, 1.5 inch voice coil, 275 watts, RMS, 550 watts, max power on this bad boy. 96 dBs, frequency response starts from the 115 hertz all the way down to the 16 kilohertz. Check this bad boy out. Look at that, nice DS18 steel basket, connectors, real cool. What you guys want to do? Let's hook this baby up. Put some power. Let me get these wires out of the way. There we go. Gotcha. All right. Okay. So power on the black one. And then let's pick out RGB. Let's start with blue this time. Start with blue. There we go. Some blue power. Nice. Now let's flip on the amp. Let's grab the speaker wires. And let's connect this bad boy. Got the negative, positive. Let's grab song. Here we go. Let's check this one out. Amp is turning on. Start at low volume. Won't freak me out this time. There we go. All right, so there you guys have it. The 8 inches. How loud? Very loud. It plays good. It has a nice deep mid bass, mid voice. You can hear a little bit of the highs as well. The cool feature, the RGB lights. Of course, you have it hidden in a door panel. You have a nice setup in your trunk. Obviously, it's gonna look amazing. Let's turn this off. It's gonna look amazing, which is a cool part. It sounds just like a mid, just with the RGB stuff inside. Pretty cool. So a lot of people have been asking me in my videos, where do I get my playlist from? I use YouTube Music, the non-copyright playlists. So all the videos are accepted. Thumbs up for that one. So, and there you guys have it. The PRO-X8.4 RGB cap. The RGB style with the dust cap, lights up, RGB, multicolors. You pick the color you want. It's compatible with our LED BTC, so make sure if you buy this, you get the LED BTC. That way you can control all the lights directly from your phone. You have the power in the palm of your hand. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.